Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable dial assist to automatically determine the correct international or local prefix when dialing on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Now first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings go down and tap on Phone. Next, go down and tap on dial assist switch to switch it off, or tap on it to turn it on. Now by default this is switch on, and when it is switch on, dial assist automatically determines the correct international and local prefix when dialing. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.